tunnel road. My heart is weak with every step, burdened by this heavy load, and still I walk on tunnel road. I walk alone on tunnel road, and the daylight blooms around my eyes. Ahead the dark etched out in stone, on my way through tunnel road. Would you be my distant dream, my light on the horizon? The light that draws me in and clouds my old vision, and that smile, those eyes, that hands on mine, that feed my obsession. And so darkness flees and frees its mind on tunnel road. I walk alone on tunnel road.
I walk alone on tunnel road.
Sunsets on what came before,
The sunset's on what came before,
burning from the night towards my home that lights the stone, the tunnel road. I walk alone on tunnel road,
I walk alone on tunnel road,
and the lights they arc and dance around,
the lights they arc and dance around,
enveloped by this treasure trove. I cannot leave the tunnel road. Would you be my distant dream, my light on the horizon? That light that draws me in and clouds my old vision, and that smile, those eyes, that hands on mine, that feed my obsession. This darkness flees and frees its mind on tunnel road. Pull me from that distant scene at night on the horizon. That night at the end I see the star-arched illusion, and that smile, those eyes, that hands on mine, so darkness flees into its intermission. And so walk with me, talk with me, carry me on tunnel road. And so walk with me, talk with me, carry me on tunnel road. Oh, walk with me and talk with me, carry me on tunnel road. And so walk with me, talk with me, and carry me on tunnel